Good morning, everyone. Look at that sun cream glow. You know, got that factor 50 on, don't we, Harrison?
Yeah, we've brought more with us just in case.
Yeah, we've got a little spray one. We're off now for, I think it's like a walking tour of Dubai Old Town. So let's go do this. We've got our neutrals on today. Harry's got a beige on, and I've got me beige are these light? I don't know what material they're, lightweight. But no, we're headed off. Have to get to our meeting location at 9 o'clock. It's currently 8:20, so let's go. I don't know why Harry, do you not want me to just wear it on my shoulder?
I'll sort it out.
I don't know what he's doing.
We made it to the walking tour.
Are you smelling it?
No, we've just been served some
I know
refreshments.
it's tea, but I kind of thought it was going to be cold.
No, Harrison's tasting it.
Milky.
Actually.
Milky.
Well, I like it.
Yeah, you'll like that. It's very milky and a bit.
Oh, Gemma's face says otherwise.
It's
That's
not bad.
nice. I like that. That's really good.
It's kind of like a...
It said it's got like cardamom in it.
Yeah.
That's why it's
What does
got a
that
bit,
mean?
It's like a
You
little
know,
bit of herb and spice.
you know what I ate this morning?
Got a bit of
Don't say
spice.
It's kind of like...
Brogan ain't gonna like it. No way, I don't reckon.
You're going to sit more like that. Your face in the camera.
It's got like a tang.
Please say you video that.
She's Here comes the water.
We all know I'm the pickiest eater in the world. I'll just,
Oh well, 2 cups of tea for me.
at least I tried it.
True.
Anyway, we've had our tea, waiting for the guests, and then we're going to start
Oh,
our
that's good.
walking tour. Doing our tour, heading into the coffee museum. Got my water. Harrison's a dream.
Hey guys, we're in the coffee shop.
Coffee
How are
shop.
we doing
Coffee, Gemma.
There's no team section. Jen, it just says on the thing, don't touch.
Coffee museum. I've just said we're going to the coffee museum, but here we are.
Like a dream come true.
Yeah. Does it smell nice to you?
It just
It doesn't like huge
It doesn't smell like coffee, I didn't think. I don't know. So we just learned that in the old days, you used to have a tree in the middle of the house. It's of me. Oh, Gemma's got the camera. You have a tree in the middle of the house to provide shade. Very, very clever. Very clever. Ready? You've got to mix it.
Hey guys, it's Nicole.
Mint
And
lemon. Ready? I love a mint drink. Cheers.
different.
Oh yeah.
That's it, mojito.
That made me feel cold instantly.
Hey, I feel.
Now we've got to try this.
Okay.
We're not meant to be dipping that with that.
Right then, hot.
Okay, I'll go last.
That's good.
Delicious. I like camel milk ice cream.
Camel milk ice cream.
It don't taste no difference. Maybe. Just trying to think what it tastes like.
That tastes like a posh chocolate ice cream. It's more like creamy.
Tasty.
It's spongy, yeah.
It's nice.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Anything you want to say, Harrison?
This is great.
This
I
is
think
great.
I'm probably tempted to say joint first, best thing we've done on the trip.
That's good. We've just been on a water taxi, as you've just seen. Now we're at the market side.
It's just everything's amazing.
There we are. Look at that glow. Beautiful. Can't wait to jump in the pool later, lol. Here's the world's largest gold ring.
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. It's
Guinness
pretty
World
big.
Record.
Guinness World Record down the bottom. Guess where we've come for tea?
Where else?
See it.
Oh, Nando's. And it's as good as I expected. People told me there's going to be the same stuff on the menu. There's not. I've got something unique and brand new. Came out 2 days ago.
You know that no. You
That's
didn't
the
get
other
that
thing.
thing. That was the other thing.
Like I said, new next to it, so it's different.
He's making it up, look.
But I've gone with the pita bread.
Classic pitta. And we got one of the drinks back to my straw lol. So dinner's arrived. Here's my mushroom and halloumi wrap. Delicious as always, I imagine. Got wedges this time. Very salted. Some coleslaw, but here's Harrison's.
It's Fernando's Khalifa.
It's like the botanist in Newcastle if you've been. Oh, the botanist elsewhere, but it's got 3 sides. They look like cheesy wedges.
Yeah, garlic bread.
This smells really. It smells nice.
Cold.
I like. Do you like garlic sauce just poured down it?
Yeah.
That smells
Smells
good.
good.
Harrison's obsessed, lol. So Harrison's just ate a full meal, which was meant for 2 people. I had like a normal meal. I had 2 sides today. I pushed the boat out. Normally I only have 1. I had to leave half my wrap, and I've like barely even touched the like wedges and stuff. So Harrison's ate his meal for 2, and he's got my leftovers in a bag for later. Later.
The menu said for 2. As I was rolling out of Nando's, she served the exact same portion sizes to a family of 4. I've never been so disgusted with myself in my life. I'm both happy, sad, full, sick. I've got meat sweats.